Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, Unbox and Chill. We have another unboxing today. I actually received a Watch Gang wheel spin watch. Essentially you spin a wheel, you put in the watch that you want, you add watches that are of higher value to that wheel, the wheel spins. It may land on the one that you paid for, it may land on one that is more expensive. It's essentially how that works at watchgang.com, the monthly watch subscription service. This is kind of a side thing. Aside from the subscription, you can do the watch wheel. I spun the wheel, I won this watch. I think I'm into this watch about $50, so we'll take a look at it. We'll see what I got for $50. We'll see what that got me, and we'll go from there. We'll do a quick wristwatch check before we get into it. We just got the Juggernaut on the shark mesh bracelet, so that's what we're rocking today. We'll get right into it. We've got the box. We did get a, as you can see, it says Croton. So let's take a look here and we'll see what we got here. So it looks like it's just gonna be a basic watch. The box is fairly cheap, but again, what are we expecting for, you know, $50? It's a lime green, a super bright lime green color here. And like I said, it's just a regular cheap paper box here. So, but as we pop the top on that, let's move that to the side. So that's what we got. It looks like it is red and blue. It's it's Pepsi on the bezel there. So as you can see, it's ticking. It's definitely a quartz watch. Let's take it out of the box here. This whole thing. Oh, this is all one piece here. Okay. There we go. All right. So now we've got a Croton here. Let's see here. We've got the it's the plastic. Looks like I got the plastic on here. Let's take the plastic off actually, so that we can. There we go. Okay, that's better. We'll get some detail shots in here. Okay, so we've got the Croton. That's what we've got here. So like I said, you can see it ticking. You can see it's a quartz watch. Let's see here. We can rotate that bezel. And for a $50 watch, I think it has a lot of character. I think it does look really nice for a $50 watch, to be honest with you. It's definitely going to print like it's more money. We'll take a look at the details here. So we've got the logo there. We'll look at the clasp. We've got the logo on the clasp. It says Croton. As you guys can see, it is still wrapped in the plastic here, which I may leave on because I'm not sure if I'm going to go ahead and trade this one with someone. But as you can see, we've got the that's what the band looks like. So it's just kind of basic. Let's see what the clasp looks like. It's got the fold over. Okay, just a normal press clasp. Not anything too crazy here. We'll close that. Which again, at this price point, we're not looking for anything crazy. I also think this would be nice with like a different. If you put this on like a nice leather band, I think this would be nice as well. We'll look at the case back. So just a typical case back, stamped Croton, obviously. It doesn't have a display case back with it not being, it's just a quartz. Let's try it on here. Let's pop it on the wrist and see what it looks like. But keep in mind, guys, this watch was $50. So this is one of those watches that I think would make a really nice gift if I were to give it away to someone. But also, if I wanted to keep it and wear it, this is something that I think would be great for, just daily use, just a daily beater to wear every day. Because you want your daily beater to be something that's not a little more expensive, like this, or, well, it's upside down, like my Juggernaut, or even some of my more expensive pieces. You want something that's, like that could be a couple $100, or maybe even on up to something that's $1,000, or even into the several thousands. You don't want your daily piece to be something that is, you're going to wear to work and knock around. You don't want something that's going to be too pricey, but at the same time, you don't want something that's going to be too humdrum looking. And I think this with the red hand here, and I really like that detail on the second hand. You get something that still looks nice, but didn't really cost a whole lot of money. And like I said, it's something you can wear every day. You still get a little bit of style, but also at the same time, you know, it really didn't break the bank. It really didn't cost anything. I want to check the crown here. I wanted to know if it's a screw down crown. Oh, okay. So it looks like it is not a screw down crown. So it looks like it's like a dive style watch, but it's not actually a dive watch. Yeah, no, this is not a screw down crown at all. So it looks like it, you know, it looks like a dive watch, but it's not. I doubt this has any real. We'll look at the specs. We'll check out the specs and see what the water resistance is on it. But you know, without a screw down crown, you're not gonna be able to have this submersion water for too long. I cannot imagine. But keep in mind this is unsized here. There we go. So that's unsized. You've got the black dial. I do like this metallic around here. You've got a Pepsi bezel. I do like that red hand. That is nice. Actually, I think it would be nice if both hands were red, but I do like the red hand that's there. But overall, like I said, I think it's a very stylish piece, this Croton. It's just not, like I said, you know, it's not a diver, it's just crazy. So let's take a look here. We'll see what's going on, but keep in mind, for 50 bucks, what do you expect? We're gonna go ahead and go into my browser here. Here we go. All right, so I pulled it up here, right? So it looks like they're calling this watch the men's all stainless steel sport watch with rotating bezel. So that's a very generic name. It doesn't actually have like doesn't appear to have like a name. So we do have an inflated MSRP of 250. But let's get into the specs here. This is what I really want to take a look at. So we've got a Miyota quartz, let's see here, 2115 movement. It is stainless steel, as that's in the name also. Let's see, magnified date at the 3 o'clock. We've got the minute marker, outer ring on dial, rotating ratchet bezel, luminous hands. Let's see here, luminous raised markers, 44 millimeter case, okay. 22 millimeter, let's see here, tapering bracelet, fold over, put in clasp, let's see here, water resistance, okay, so you see the water resistance there, so it's a 10 ATM, limited lifetime warranty, and it is gift box. Is this a gift box? Okay. It's kind of a basic box. I guess this is the gift box. Looks like down here also we do have the, looks like that's the warranty information and probably the instruction manual as well. But overall, guys, I mean, listen, 50 bucks, nice watch you can wear daily. The Croton, you know, a nice watch you can wear daily, not care about it getting beaten up or anything. Overall, like I said, not a bad purchase, you know, definitely not a bad purchase at all. So you're not going to care about desk rash or anything like that with this watch. Not a bad looking piece, pretty stylish piece for not a lot of money, and you can save your nicer pieces. So I do want to say right now at this point, guys, I appreciate you guys watching. Thank you so much. If you could do me a favor, just like, comment, subscribe. Tap that subscribe button. Once I get to 1,000 subscribers, what we're going to start doing is giving the watches away, especially the monthly subscription watches. We'll start giving those away every month. You know, if you want to be a part of that, stick around with me. We check out some unboxings. We have some fun. Just go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and you know, we'll have fun together, okay? I appreciate you guys watching. Thank you so much. Unbox and chill. Have a good night.